Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 4, we are going to start our third chapter, that is fractions, today from page number 47. Come on page number 48. In this chapter we will learn about the coloring part of the fractions. We will learn how much parts are covered, and then we will learn how to write the numbers into fraction, then less than and greater, and then how to write down them in ascending and descending order, adding up fractions, multiplying and dividing the fractions. Now see, on page number 48, color the correct fraction of each shape. You have to color these 6 fractions are given, and you have to color the 2 parts of these fractions, any 2 parts. You can color any 2 portions of these fractions. So here 4 fractions are, you can see, given. They are in denominator, and in the numerator you have to color the 3 parts. Any 3 parts you can cover, any 3, but 3 parts. In C there are 8 fractions, you can count 8 fractions. The number of total fractions are given as dividend, and in numerator the coloring portion is given. You have to color 13 parts out of 14 parts. In this part you have to color 7 parts of 10 parts. Now come to the second question. Write the fraction for the colored part of each. Count down the fractions. First see how many parts are colored. 2 parts are colored. And how many are the total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 parts are colored out of 6 portions. Now see how many are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are colored. And how many are total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8. So in the same way you can do the other parts. Now come for the question number 3. Write fractions to match the word. Numerator is 5, denominator is 7. Numerator means numerator 5, denominator means the divisor is 7. Multiplying term is known as numerator, at the number that is being divided, that is denominator, n over d. In B part, denominator is 10, means d is 10, n over d. Remember the formula, that is n by d, n over d, numerator, denominator. So here the denominator is 10, so you have to write it down, and the numerator is 3, you have to write it over here. In question number 4, you have to write greater than, less than or equal, the sign of greater than, less than or equal. How can you find that the fraction is greater or less? If the denominators are same, then the numerator will be, if the numerator is greater, then the fraction is greater. And if the denominators are not same, then you have to check out the condition. First, for the same numerators, you have to keep in your mind, if the denominators are same, and you then first see whether the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, then see the numerators. The greatest numerator will make the fraction greater. For the different denominators, you have to cross multiply the numbers. You have to multiply this 6 by 5 and this 8 by 3. 6 5s are 30. 8 3s are 24. If you are multiplying it by this number, 6 5s are 30, Then you also have to multiply this 6 by 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 3s are 24. 8 6 are 48. So these both will be the same. So see which numerator is greater. 30 is greater, then this fraction will be greater. So you can do it more simply. You can just multiply the denominator with the numerators. 8 6 are 48. 7 6 are 42. See, 42 is greater or 48 is greater. 48 is greater, so the fraction this one is greater than this fraction. So you have to write in ascending order. In ascending order, you can write the smaller first. Which fraction is smaller? This fraction is smaller. On the second number, this one and this one, then 6 by 7. And when you are asked to write the fractions in descending order, so you have to write the greater fraction first, then small, then smaller, then small, and then the smallest. For the exercise, now you have to do the question number 1, that is your fill in the blanks first, then true and false statements, and then MCQs. Now come for question number 4. You have to circle the sets of like fractions. Which are the like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions that have same denominator. Having the same denominator. These two have the same denominator, so we will circle these two fractions. These two also have the same denominator, so we'll circle these fractions. In the other parts, you have to do your own. In question number 5, write whether the following pairs of fraction are like or unlike. Tell, are these paired like or unlike? These are having same denominators, they are like. Also having the same pair, same denominator, they are like. They have different denominator, they are unlike. Having the same, different, and different. So you have to tell, if they have the same denominator, they are like fractions, and if they have the different denominators, they will have the unlike fractions. So you have to rewrite these fractions in question number 6. You have to rewrite these fractions so that they have a common denominator. To make their denominator common, you have to multiply the denominator as the same. See, this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 4. To make this 2, from which number we will multiply it? We will multiply it by 2. So this will become 2 2s are 4. If we are multiplying the denominator, so we will multiply the numerator by the same number also. So this will become 2 1s are 2. So our obtained fractions are 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now these are the fractions having the same denominator. Here is 3 by 5 and the second is 7 by 15. To make them the same fractions as a common denominator, how we can make this number 15? This is 15. We have to make this 5 also 15. We will multiply it by 3. 5 3s are 15. If we are multiplying this by 5, 3, so we will also multiply the numerator by 3 also. So 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. So these are the two fractions with same denominator. And the rest parts you have to practice your own. First you have to rewrite the parts of these denominators. You have to write them with the signs of less or greater. So you can do that this question by very easy method. You can cross multiply this by this. 7 3s are 21. 10 2s are 20. See which numerator is greater. 21 is greater, so we will sign the greater. 11 3s are 11. 3s are 33. 8 4s are 32. So see which is greater, 33. So we will write the sign of greater over here. 8 fours are 32, 5 threes are 15. So which is greater from these two numbers? 32. So we will write it like this. On the same way you have to do the other questions. Write the following fractions in ascending and descending order. How you can write them in ascending and descending order? You have to write them in ascending and descending order as we have done in the previous page.